Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to sign out of Prime Video on your Samsung Smart TV. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Maybe you're at an Airbnb and you've logged into Prime Video on another TV, or maybe you're at a hotel and you want to log out of Prime Video then. This video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the first thing that you want to do is that you want to go onto your Prime Video account. And then once you're on your Prime Video account, what you're going to do next is that on the left hand side, you want to click on settings. So under settings, the next thing that you're going to do is scroll all the way down to where it says sign out. So this is going to be able to sign you out of your Samsung Smart TV on Prime Video. Now the other way to do this is that if you click on the home button of your Samsung Smart TV and then scroll all the way to the left to where it says settings, and then from this page here you want to scroll all the way down to where it says general, and then from here you want to scroll down to where it says reset. So what this is going to do is that it's going to reset your Samsung TV to its factory default settings, meaning that it's also going to log you out of Prime Video, it's going to log you out of Netflix. This is going to be a really easy way to also sign out of Prime Video. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and sign out of Prime Video. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.